This video will show you how to add a room to a group reservation. Hotelogix lets you add one or more rooms to a group reservation. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation to which you wish to add a new room. From the context menu that appears, click View Details. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. To start adding a new room, click Add New Room at the bottom of the page. The Add New Room panel appears. You can edit the check-in date and number of nights if required. Next, select the room type of New Room from the drop-down menu. Select the number of occupants in the new room, including adult and child. From the Rooms drop-down list, now select the total number of new rooms required. Now click Add. A new room is now added to the group reservation. Note that the price is updated accordingly. Click Save to save the details. Please note that the newly reserved room of the selected room type also appears on the front desk. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add an individual room to a group reservation.